Here it is, you guys. Alright guys, today is April 7th. We have the Eldorado still here. In this video, I do have a friend coming over to help me, to show me how to do a leak down test. I have not used that tool. I did have to borrow it from a friend named Michael. Thank you, Michael. And in this video, we will see how to do a leak down test on this Eldorado. It keeps overheating. I've tried to bleed the system as best as I can, the coolant system, and still I'm having issues. So I know my friend's on the way, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull off these covers and get this ready to get to the spark plugs, and go from there. Hopefully it's not a blown head gasket, but if it is, then that is why we keep overheating. If it is a bad head gasket, this is a job that's too big for me, so I will have to pass this job on. Okay, get this guy off. It is a 13mm. That's what I'm using. And the little cover for the spark plugs is a 10mm. Hopefully I have you guys at the right angle. Pretty gnarly, pretty disgusting, but one down. I am going to go ahead and not record the back, but same. Probably pull this guy off. There it is. That guy will be off, and oh wait, no, sorry. I just got to remove this cover. Forgot. So, some bolts there. Bolts on the back side there. Get this plug out of the way, maybe. Should be alright, actually. But I'm going to go ahead and get that off. Unplug it from here. And go from there. So I'm going to do that real quick. But there it is. This is what it looks like underneath that plastic cover. Okay guys, good news. Mystery solved on the Eldorado. A friend came over. We were going to do a leak down test on the car to find out if it had a blown head gasket. We pulled the thermostat. We swapped it with another one. Still was overheating. We tried to do it without the thermostat and just with the rubber seal. It wouldn't seal. So we did that. We filled up from the hose first, the overflow box first. We tried everything. Come to find out, this guy was clogged. So always double check this. Always double check it. I did notice water. We would take this guy off, and the coolant will backflow this way. And we never took this whole hose off, so we took this off, and I would put a tiny screwdriver in there, and then I could hear air come out. So we unscrewed it. It's like a nut and bolt that goes all the way through in the middle. I don't know how to explain it, but this guy was clogged. So huge thanks to my buddy Robert. He came through, helped me out. I did pay him for his time, and all I can say is thank you. I super appreciate it. I would still be stuck on this thing. I would think it was a head gasket when it wasn't. All it was this being clogged. That's all it was. I'm assuming the air comes up through here. It just helps bleed the air out of the system. But yeah, guys, the Eldorado is good. Took it for a test drive. I don't know if I explained the first test drive, but it went 6 miles, drove it on the freeway, got off, and started overheating the first time. I did the same drive this time, and it worked out perfect. I went all the way around 11 miles, parked it, let it idle forever. Before that, it was idling forever. And that's it, guys. Eldorado is finished. Water pump is changed, thermostat's changed, and I hope you guys appreciate this video. Beginning of the video, you guys would have seen what this cost to change at a shop. So hope you guys appreciate those clips, and like, subscribe, share, more videos to come. Thanks, guys.